morning, sir.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good morning,
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. And as you know that you all have to submit your art integration project. Okay. So now date has been extended to 30th of January. So please don't wait for the last date, and now don't disturb yourself because your PT2 exam is from 4th of January. So after exam,
Sir, you got my PPT. Sir.
yes, yes. What happened?
सर आपको मेरी पीपीटी मिल गई भूमि कोचर
क्या बोलो क्या बोल रहे हो?
सर आपको मेरी पीपीटी मिल गई
हाँ
ईमेल कर दी थी
आपका मिल गया सो
एकांशी एकांशी
some मिल गया मुझे and some of you have sent already but those who have not sent till now what you will do if you find time you will prepare and you have to submit it before 30th of January. 30th of January is the last date. ठीक है तो अभी आप लोग पढ़ाई में ध्यान दो और जैसे ही आपका हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम यस हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम जब आपका फिनिश हो जाएगा उसके बाद आप लोग उसको मेरे मेल पे भेज देना राइट
क्या भेजना है?
हाँ क्या बोल रहे हो
सर क्या भेजना है?
आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन प्रोजेक्ट आपको आप क्लास में नहीं थे क्या
सर भेज
दिए हो ओके भेज दिए तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ओके तो वी आर अगेन वी विल कंटिन्यू विद ये स्टैटिस्टिक्स that is chapter 14 statistics okay so what we have to start today we have solved question number 8 and 9 already okay so we will move on to the next exercise that is exercise 14.3 14.4 sorry
14.3
14.3 तो हो गया 14.3
सर भाई बोला था 14.3 डन है
हाँ 14.3 डन है ना आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 बनाया था और 9 आपका होमवर्क था सेम क्वेश्चन था
सर वो मोमेंट हो गया है
हाँ
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 से नहीं है
किसमें 14.3 में
यस सर
हाँ तो फिर बेटा ये तो पहले बताना चाहिए था आपको ना अभी आप बता रहे हो जब हम लोग कर लिए
तो मैं कल ही देखा था
हाँ तो इसलिए बोला वो फाइल तो हम लोगों की वाली फाइल मेरे पास भी नहीं रहती है ना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं कर लिया
सर 14.4 भी नहीं है 14.4 भी नहीं है
14.4 नहीं है कौन बोला
सर देख लो ना नहीं है उसी में आप जो आप डाले थे ना स्कूल ग्रुप में आया था ना
अच्छा 14.4 नहीं है उसमें तो ठीक है वो 14.4 मैं देख लूंगा ठीक है यदि 14.4 में यदि कुछ डिलीट होगा तो मैं आपको बता दूंगा तो अभी 14.4
डिलीट हो गया है
14.4 डिलीट हो गया है ना
यस सर
तो ठीक है मैं एक बार और श्योर कर लूंगा एक बार मेरे पास घर में फाइल है उस फाइल में मैं देख लूंगा जो आपका आया था सर्कुलर और सो टुडे विल स्टार्ट चैप्टर 15 में डिलीट नहीं है कुछ भी ना
सर एक सेकंड देख के बता रहा हूँ
देखो सबको मैंने डिटेल भेजा हुआ है आपके पास So please wait for some time and also मैं भी देख लेता हूँ आपको, ठीक है 2 मिनट मैं भी देख लेता हूँ।
सर नहीं है कुछ भी डिलीट।
प्रोबेबिलिटी में डिलीट नहीं है कुछ भी ना?
यस सर।
Okay, so we will continue with probability, no problem. Chapter 15, मैं एक बार 14 और लिख लूँगा। Chapter 15, that is probability. Probability. So what is probability? That you have already studied in class 9. This is very simple. Suppose probability means you have to find out the chances of happening anything, right? Probability means chances of happening something, some event or some experiments are given. You have to perform any experiment and you need to find the chances of happening any specific event in particular time or in any specific time. So suppose you have given a dice, as you know that what is dice, मालूम है सबको, right? So dice is given 1, 6, 2, 5, and 3, 4. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there and one dice is given. This die is given. Okay. Now when you throw a die, it is experiment. You are performing an experiment, right? And what is the experiment? You have to throw a dice, and after throwing a die, you need to find out the chances of getting odd number on the top. Odd number on the top, right? What? You have to throw a die and you need to find the chances of an odd number on the top. What are the chances of odd number? So here we have only 3 odd numbers. What are the 3 odd numbers? 1, 3 and 5, these are the odd numbers, right? So you need to find the chances of getting an odd number. So out of 6 numbers, so total numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total numbers are 6. And odd numbers are only 3. Odd numbers are only 3. So this which you need to find is called favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes, right? And this six is called total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes. What is outcomes? Outcomes means your result. If you are performing something, you are experimenting something, so definitely you will get some result, right? So what experiment you are performing here? You are performing that you have to throw a dice and you need to find the chances of getting or probability of getting an odd number, right? So total numbers are 6. That will be total number of possible outcomes, total number of possible things which will be including in this experiment, right? And what is your requirement? Your requirement is you need to note down the only odd numbers. Okay. So here we have out of 6 numbers, only 3 numbers are odd numbers, right? So you need to find the probability of getting probability of an event. E is an event. Probability of an event, the formula is probability of an event is total number of favorable outcomes outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. Possible outcomes. Please note down somewhere. Right. So here you need to, what is your experiment? The experiment is probability of getting an odd number. So you should get right here probability of getting, this bracket means of, P means probability. Probability of getting an odd number will be equal to, what is the favorable outcomes? Favorable outcomes is only 3. And what is the total possible outcomes? That is 6. So 3 ones are 3 2, that is 1 by 2. So this is the probability of getting an odd number in this experiment, in this event. Right? Got this or not? समझ में आया आपको? समझ में सबको आया? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please note down. Done? Yes, done or not? No response.
Yes,
Done.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am loving this. Okay. So we will move on to the first exercise, very first exercise, that is 15.1. That is 15.1. Very first question. The first question is, it is given that in a cricket match, batsman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls. So find the probability that she did not hit the boundary. Okay. So what do you write here? Number of times a batsman, number of times a batswoman hits a boundary is how much? 6 times, ना? This is 6 times. 30 बॉल में 6 बार बाउंड्री मारती है वो, ठीक है? And total number of balls played, that will be 30 times, right? And what is the question? You need to find the how many times she didn't hit the boundary. तो अब यदि 30 बॉल्स में 6 बार बाउंड्री मार रही है, तो कितने बार बाउंड्री नहीं मार रही बताओ?
24.
Very good. So number of times when a batswoman does not didn't hit the boundary. That will be equal to 30 minus 6. है ना, that is 24. And you need to find therefore probability that she didn't hit the boundary. Hit the boundaries. That will be equal to favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Okay. So what is the favorable outcomes which we need to find? That is favorable outcomes, that will be 24, and total number of possible outcomes means total number of balls she played, that is 30. So 6 4s are and 6 5s are. That will be equal to 4 by 5. And always remember that probability of any event must between 0 means from 0 to 1. Note down somewhere. Note down somewhere, which is very important. Important. Probability of any event always lies from 0 to 1. Means किसी भी इवेंट की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 और 1 के बीच में लाई होगी. It will be never negative. It will be never negative, and it will be not more than 1. Okay? It should be either 0 or 1 or between this. 0 or 1 के बीच में 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 5 by 6, 7 by 9, like that. Okay? This must be noted somewhere. This is very important result. Note down. So you can see this probability also 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is less than 1. Okay? यदि कहीं आपकी probability 1 से ज्यादा आ रही है या 1 से कम आ रही है,
clear.
that is not possible. ठीक है? Please note down. Done?
Sir, screen is not clear.
What? Yes, Kitsi. What happened? What is not clear? Tell me.
Sir, clear.
Clear?
Sir.
Okay. So I am taking next question. Yes. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 is 1500 families with 2 children were selected randomly, and the following data were recorded. So you can see the number of girls in a family, that is 2, right? Number of families in out of 1500 families, 475 families is having two girl child, and out of 1500, 814 families is having only one child, one girl child, and 211 families is having no child. Okay, this is your data, and with the help of this table, you need to find out the probability of what? The first one is probability of family chosen at random having probability of having two girls in a family. Having 2 girls in a family, that will be equal to what? बताओ, 2 girls कितनी families में? 475. So what will be the favorable outcomes? Tell me. What will be favorable outcomes? No reply. Yes, please. कितनी फैमिलीज में 2 गर्ल्स हैं? am I audible or not?
ऑडिबल सर।
yes बताओ कितनी फैमिलीज में 2 गर्ल्स हैं?
475।
475. So 475 your variable outcomes and total number of families is taken in this survey, that is 1500. So this is your final answer, right? ये आ गया आपका 475 by 1500. If you want to cancel it, you can cancel it. Otherwise, you can give it as it is. Okay. Now, second one is probability of having one girl in a family that will be equal to what? One girl in a family. कितनी families हैं? 814.
814।
Yes, 814 upon 1500. Right? And now third one is probability of having no girl. Having no girl in a family. Girl in a family. In a family.
211।
That will be equal to 211 upon 1500. So this is your final answer. And now you need to find, also check whether the sum of these probability is 1. And also you have to check that sum of all this probability is either 1 or 1. So you will check it. So you will write here sum of all the probabilities is that will be equal to 475 by 1500 plus 814 by 1500 and plus 211 by 1500. That will be equal to 475 plus 814 plus 211 divided by 1500. So that will be equal to 1500 by 1500, that is equal to 1. So yes, sum of all the probabilities is equal to 1. So this is the true result when you are performing a specific event, or if you are doing a specific experiment or event, and you are adding all the probabilities, you always get the result 1. सारी probability का sum एक specific event में, अलग-अलग event में नहीं. For any specific event, if you are performing a specific task and you are finding out the probability of all the things, and then you add all the probabilities, you will always get the result 1. This is true result. समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note down. Now, next question is, yes, next question is, refer to example number 5, section 14.4, chapter 14, find the probability that a student of the class was born in August. So its table is given in different page. That is page number chapter 14, example 5. Chapter 14, example 5. You can see in chapter 14, example 5. Where is example 5? Example 5. Yes. दिखा आपको? पेज नंबर 247 यू कैन सी. ठीक है सब लोग पेज नंबर 247 में देखो, एक आपको जो बार ग्राफ दिख रहा है वो वाला एग्जांपल हमको लेना है, राइट? एंड व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड, we need to find the probability that a student of the class was born in the month of August. So in third question you need to find probability of that a student of the class born in August, right? So born in August. Now move on to the page number 247. आप अपनी बुक निकालिए, अपनी बुक में पेज नंबर 247 में एग्जांपल 5 देखो. ठीक है, अब देखो अगस्त में टोटल आपके पास डेटा कितना है देखो. देयर टोटल स्टूडेंट्स 40, राइट? 40 स्टूडेंट में सर्वे कर रहे हैं एंड इन द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त कितने बच्चे हैं देखो. यू कैन सी मंथ ऑफ बर्थ अगस्त एंड नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट. बताओ कितने बच्चे हैं अगस्त में? टेल मी how many students are born in the month of August? Tell me.
सर 2.
2 कहाँ है भाई? अगस्त में देखो, अगस्त
6
अगस्त में 6 बच्चे हैं देखो, बार में 6 दिखा रहा है. तो फेवरेबल आउटकम्स विल बी 6 and total number of students were 40. So this will be 6 by 40. So 2 3s are and 2 2s are, that will be equal to 3 by 20. This is your final answer. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes sir.
Okay, please note down. Now, next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 is what? It is also one table is given. There 3 coins are tossed